Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are making the simplest red velvet cake you've ever tried. These are the tools and ingredients we are using for this red velvet cake. We have eggs here, we have some sugar, we also have baking powder, some salt, our oil, vanilla, some butter, our flour. We'll be using a mixing bowl with a sieve, a cooling rack, some parchment paper, serving tray. We'll also be using our cake tins here, some tissue, our silicone spatula, our whisk, and our measuring spoon. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. And this is our vanilla cake batter. So to transform this cake batter here into red velvet, we are going to add in some red food coloring and cocoa powder, and then we'll mix. And then we'll transfer it into our baking tin. We'll bang it, and then we'll bake at 160 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes at most. Before we get into the next aspect, please my loves, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If you haven't, kindly do so now by clicking on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. There is nothing being charged for just subscribing and joining this delicious and amazing team every single day on your screens. Please subscribe and I promise you are going to enjoy it. This is the red velvet cake right out of the oven, so you are going to let it cool off. And this is how the red velvet cake looks like. This is a sample of it. We are going to break into it. Just look at how soft it is. So you can try this recipe out. It's very easy, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch all our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. Also, we post short videos from Sunday to Sunday, which is throughout the week, so you can check that out as well. Share our videos with your friends and family on our behalf. Subscribe to the channel. Do all the good stuff for us. Follow us on all our socials. So we'll meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.